Hi guys, a quick tutorial on how to get rid of the gray subtitles or titles in Davinci Resolve 17 and turn them into white. So as you can see, I have these subtitles here, and they should be white because color is white, but they are gray. The reason being is there's one setting you have to change. And by the way, I'm working in ACES color space, so I'm not sure if it works with other color spaces. You have to check it for yourself, guys. But if you are working in ACES color space and you're getting those gray subtitles and titles, you can go to File, Project Settings, Color Management, and here you'll find a graphic white level line. And it's set on 100 nits, which is quite dark. So you can go and type 1000 nits and then press save, and now they all turn true white. And when you go here, when I go to my titles, because I also have titles here somewhere, they should be white too. Yes, you see. And if I go back and I change back to 100 here, then it will become again gray. So I don't know kind of the details of technical aspect of that. I just actually quite accidentally found this and it worked for me. Maybe it will work for you too, guys. And if you are working in other color space, also try it and let me know if that did work or not. That's it. Thank you.